Good day, world and Philippines. Why does your mind go quiet when you're staring at a mountain like this located in Banao Rice Terraces in Baguio, or the view of tall volcano in Tagaytay? Why does a sunset like this in Boracay or in Manila Bay feel like therapy, even if nothing in your life has changed? It's not just beautiful, it's biological. What if I told you that simply looking at a stunning view could reset your brain, lower your stress, and even make you a better person? Let's break down the science of why beautiful places feel so good and what they're actually doing to your body and mind. So here's what's really happening when you see something breathtaking. Your brain lights up. Specifically, your reward system kicks in and releases dopamine, the chemical responsible for that warm, inspired, happy feeling. You're not just liking what you see. Your brain is literally rewarding you for paying attention to beauty, but here's where it gets interesting. At the same time, your body lowers cortisol, the hormone we produce when we're anxious or overwhelmed. That peaceful feeling, that's your nervous system shifting into calm mode, slowing your heart rate, relaxing your muscles, and quieting mental noise. And the wild part, it doesn't have to be some once-in-a-lifetime landscape. It could be trees outside your window, light hitting a wall, even a photo of nature on your phone. But what about that feeling of awe, that goosebumps, lump in your throat kind of wonder? Scientists have found that awe literally pulls us out of our own heads. It shuts down the brain's default mode network, the part responsible for self-focused thinking, overthinking, and stress loops. Why does that matter? Because in those awe moments, you're not worrying about deadlines or overanalyzing your life. You're just being connected to something bigger, present, a little more human. And here's where it gets really cool. That awe and calm isn't just a vibe. It has physical benefits too. Your immune system becomes more active. Your blood pressure drops, your sleep improves, even your attention span and memory get better. Crazy, right? And all from just looking. Not working out, not meditating for hours. Just being present with something beautiful. So what if you made this part of your life? What if, instead of scrolling past that sunset or walking past the trees, you paused for just 30 seconds and let yourself really take it in? Look up, slow down, let beauty do what it's built to do, heal you. Not with effort, not with noise, but with quiet power. And if you can't get outside right now, that's okay. Save this video. Come back to it when you need a moment. Your brain will thank you. Because beauty isn't just something to see, it's something to feel. And it's one of the simplest, most powerful tools we have to feel better. And hey, if you love learning about how your mind and body really work, or you just need more peaceful, perspective-shifting moments like this in your feed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow our channel HealthnewsPH for more calming content, science-based insights, and reminders to breathe. Because beauty isn't just something to see, it's something to feel. And sometimes it's exactly what we need.